Good morning, folks. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long weekend that I haven't uploaded a video. Okay, let's do something unique today. Let's see what we have in store for us. And the weather is getting bad. Will rain for another 5 days. How's the weather in your place? Tell me where you're watching from. Wow, we have entered a village and we have a cute little church on the uphill, and this village is populated with Christians. I think there are 100 houses here. I spoke to people. They said they have 100 houses here. Beautiful. We have a peaceful village here. Only in the town and cities we have chaos and unrest. So I think it's good to live in a village or countryside. Yeah. சரி வீடு இங்கே தானுங்களா? நானே தான். சரி சந்தோஷங்க. அப்படியே பார்த்து போகிறேன். Oh, so glad that people are able to recognize me. These are carrot fields. Just parked my bike and I'm taking a walk because this is a dead end and I don't want to risk fall. Here is a tank, and from the lake they pump water to the tank, and from the tank they pump up water to the carrot washing machine area. So that's where they wash all the carrots. This place is surrounded with a good water source. We see a little boat. Water is very pure. It's mainly rainwater. Yeah. Good water source area. And the empty land, yeah, what you see is they have sowed carrot seeds, so it will take months to grow. And there's a hill, and the water is flowing downwards. That's it, guys. Okay, we'll end up the video here. I'll see you soon with some other video. See you. Bye bye.